Welcome to MLT Education Point. Today we are going to start some important MCQs of physiology. So let's start the video. First MCQs is blood is a form of dash tissue. Option A epithelial, option B muscular, option C nervous and option D connective. So the correct option is the option D connective. Blood is a form of connective tissue. MCQs number 2. Dash kill parasite and also prevent the spread of inflammatory processes and also involved in allergy. Option A neutrophil, option B basophil, option C eosinophil and D option is red blood cell. So the correct option is option C eosinophil. Eosinophil kill parasite and also prevent the spread of inflammatory processes and also involved in allergy. Third MCQs is dash carry urine from kidney to urinary bladder. Option A urethra, option B ureter, option C urinary bladder and option D renal pelvis. So the correct option is the option B ureter. So ureter carry urine from kidney to urinary bladder. MCQs number 4. The passage of blood from stomach and intestine to liver through portal vein is called. Option A portal circulation, option B systemic circulation and option C is pulmonary circulation. So the correct option is the option A. So the passage of blood from stomach and intestine to liver through portal vein is called portal circulation. Fifth MCQs is function of simple squamous epithelium is option A absorption, option B secretion, option C both A and B and option D is filtration. So the correct option is the option D filtration. Function of simple squamous epithelium is filtration. MCQs number 6. Dash type of endoplasmic reticulum synthesize protein. Option A ribosome, option B smooth ER, option C rough ER and option D all of the above. So the correct option is the C option. So the rough endoplasmic reticulum synthesize protein. MCQs number 7. Dash help in the exchange of material between blood and tissue. Option A is arteries, option B capillaries, option C veins and option D venules. So the correct option is the option B. So capillaries help in the exchange of material between blood and tissue. MCQs number 8. Arteries divide into smaller branches called arterioles, which are main dash vessels. Option A resistance, option B capacitance, option C atrioventricular. So the correct option is the option A. Arteries divided into smaller branches called arterioles which are main resistance vessel. MCQs number 9. Dash ion is very important in acid-base balance of the body. Option A calcium, option B potassium, option C chloride and option D hydrogen. So the correct option is the option D. Hydrogen ion is very important in acid-base balance of the body. MCQs number 10. Dash attaches to IgE antibody and involves in allergic reaction. Option A neutrophil, option B eosinophil, option C basophil and option D agranulocyte. So the correct option is the option C basophil. So basophil attached to IgE antibody and involves in allergic reaction. 11 MCQs is dash is located within the nucleus and it is responsible for producing ribosome. Option A centrosome, option B nucleolus, option C lysosome and option D endoplasmic reticulum. So the correct option is the option B nucleolus. So nucleolus is located within the nucleus and it is responsible for producing ribosome. MCQs number 12. Yellow color of urine is due to presence of option A urobilin or urochrome, option B bile, option C lymph and option D, cholesterol. So the correct option is the option A. Yellow color of urine is due to the presence of urobilin or urochrome. 13 MCQs. Blood is purified in option A, heart, option B, lungs, option C, intestine, and option D, kidney. So the correct option is the option D. So blood is purified in kidney. MCQs number 14. Dash joints are also called diarthrosis. Option A, fibrous, option B, cartilaginous, option C, synovial, and option D, amphiarthrosis. So the correct option is option C, synovial. Synovial joints are also called diarthrosis. MCQs number 15. Dash has important function in defense and immunity. Option A, thrombocyte, option B, leukocyte, option C, erythrocytes, and option D, eosinophil. So the correct option is the option B. Leukocyte or white blood cell has important function in defense and immunity. MCQs number 16. T cells provide dash immunity. Option A, cell mediated, option B, antibody mediated, option C, acquired immunity. So the correct option is the option A. So T cell provide cell mediated immunity. MCQs number 17. Those bones which protect and surround the brain are called option A, facial bone, option B, hyoid bone, option C, ear bone, and option D, cranial bone. So the correct option is the option D. Those bones which protect and surround the brain are called cranial bones. MCQs number 18. Dash blood group is universal recipient. Option A is A blood group, option B is B blood group, option C is AB blood group, and option D is O blood group. Correct option is option C. So AB blood group is universal recipient. MCQs number 19. When a person is lying in such a way that his face, chest, and abdomen are directed downward is called dash position. Option A, supine position, option B, prone position, option C, lithotomy position, and option D, anatomical position. So the correct option is the option B, prone position. When a person is lying in such a way that his face, chest, and abdomen are directed downward is called prone position. MCQs number 20. Dash help in transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Option A, erythrocyte, option B, leukocyte, option C, thrombocyte, and option D is monocyte. So the correct option is the option A. Erythrocytes or red blood cells help in transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide. 21 MCQs. Urine output is controlled by dash from anterior pituitary. Option A is oxytocin, option B, follicle stimulating hormone, option C, luteinizing hormone, and option D, antidiuretic hormone. So the correct option is the D option. Urine output is controlled by ADH from posterior pituitary. MCQs number 22. If your blood does contain the Rh protein, your blood is said to be option A, positive, option B, negative, option C, Rh positive, and option D is Rh negative. So the correct option is the option C. If your blood does contain the Rh protein, your blood is said to be Rh positive. MCQs number 23. Dash maintain osmotic pressure, increase blood viscosity, and also help to maintain blood pressure. Option A, antibody, option B, plasma proteins, option C, antigen. So the correct option is the option B. So plasma proteins maintain osmotic pressure, increase blood viscosity, and also help to maintain blood pressure. MCQs number 24. Dash contains small granules in their cytoplasm. Option A, granulocyte, option B, agranulocyte, option C, lymphocyte, and option D, monocyte. So the correct option is the option A. Granulocyte contains small granules in their cytoplasm. MCQs number 25. Normal capacity of urinary bladder to store the urine is about dash ml. Option A 300 to 400 ml. Option B 600 to 800 ml. Option C 200 to 600 ml. And option D is 400 to 600 ml. So the correct option is the option D. The normal capacity of urinary bladder to store the urine is about 400 to 600 ml. MCQs number 26. Dash ml of glomerular filtrate is produced every minute, and out of these dash ml is reabsorbed on an average. Option A 120 and 125. Option B 130 and 145. Option C 125 and 124. And option D 120 and 124. So the correct option is the option C. So 125 ml of glomerular filtrate is produced every minute, and out of these 124 ml is reabsorbed on average. MCQs number 27. Dash is the wave of increased pressure felt at artery when blood is pushed into arteries. Option A cardiac output, option B pulse, option C stroke volume, and option D blood pressure. So the correct option is the option B. Pulse is the wave of increased pressure felt at artery when blood is pushed into arteries. MCQs number 28. Dash consists of bones of head and trunk. Option A axial skeleton, option B appendicular skeleton, option C both A and B. So the correct option is the option A. So axial skeleton consists of bones of head and trunk. MCQs number 29. Dash shows contraction or depolarization of atria. Option A T wave, option B QRS complex, option C R wave, and option D is P wave. So the correct option is the D option. P wave shows contraction or depolarization of atria. MCQs number 30. Bicuspid and tricuspid valves are also called. Option A semilunar valves, option B pulmonary valve, option C atrioventricular valve, and option D aortic valve. So the correct option is C option. Bicuspid and tricuspid valves are also called atrioventricular valve. When pulse rate or heartbeat is above 100 per minute, then it is called tachycardia. S1 or first heart sound is produced by the closure of bicuspid and tricuspid valves. The rate at which substances are filtered from the blood of the glomeruli into the Bowman capsule is called GFR, glomerular filtration rate. 4-step of mitosis or prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. And study of joints is called arthrology. The immunity developed against measles, smallpox is an example of innate immunity. So this is false. The immunity developed against measles, smallpox is an example of acquired or adoptive immunity. Second one, total leukocyte count is 2000 to 14,000 per mm cube. So it is false. So the total leukocyte count is 4,000 to 11,000 per millimeter cube. Third is leukocyte contain A and B antigen, due to which blood group can be differentiated. So it is false. Red blood cells contain A and B antigen, due to which blood groups can be differentiated. Fourth one, B lymphocytes are mature in bone marrow and T lymphocytes are produced in bone marrow. So it is true. Fifth one, amphiarthrosis are slightly movable joints. So it is also true. So students, if you understood this video, please like, subscribe and share to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.